Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn these terms. So let's start. So study of blood is called hematology. Study of liver, hepatology. Now study of fungi is called mycology. Study of algae is called phycology. Now study of virus, virology. Study of kidney, nephrology. Study of cancer, it's called oncology, and study of universe is called cosmology, right? Study of fruits, pomology, and study of dreams, wondrology, and study of hair is called trichology. I hope you have understood these terms and you can use it or understand or learn it very well. If you like the video, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you.